Hey guys, here are some most popular and latest ideas. Here are some ideas related to handbags. Are you looking for information on the types of handbags or something else related to handbags? Style, beautiful option and beautiful styling for girls and women. Latest and new trendy ideas. Crochet and different combined style. The handbags collection. Display if you have a collection of handbags, consider displaying them creatively in your home, like on a dedicated shelf or hooks on the wall. Beautiful, different and stylish, or fabric to make your handbag latest longer, or different materials. Share your most have items that you always carry in your handbag, from makeup to emergency supplies and different latest trends and handbags. Handbags gift ideas. If you're looking for a gift, consider